Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate feedback collection with Typeform, full guide step by step clearly. To begin automating feedback collection with Typeform, first, create a Typeform account if you don't have one. Visit the Typeform website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password to register your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and select Create Typeform. Choose a template that suits your feedback needs or start from scratch. Click on Add your first question to begin building your form. Select the type of question you want to ask, such as multiple choice, short text, or rating scale. Type in your question and provide any necessary options for the respondents. Make the questions required or optional based on your preferences. You can customize the design of your Typeform by clicking on the Design tab on the right. Choose colors, fonts, and images that align with your brand. Once your questions and design are complete, click on Publish to make your Typeform live. After publishing, select Share to obtain the link to your Typeform. Now, head over to your email or automation tool to share this link with your audience. To further automate feedback collection, you can integrate Typeform with other tools. Go to the Connect panel within your Typeform dashboard. Choose from various integrations like Google Sheets, Zapier, or MailChimp. Follow the respective prompts to connect your Typeform to your chosen app. For instance, if you select Google Sheets, follow the steps to automatically send responses to a spreadsheet. Once the integration is complete, testing is essential to ensure everything works smoothly. Fill out your Typeform yourself to check that responses are being collected properly. After confirmation, promote your Typeform link through emails, social media, or your website. Monitor responses by returning to your Typeform dashboard regularly. Analyze feedback through the built-in analytics tools provided by Typeform. Create reports based on the data collected to gain valuable insights from your respondents. By automating feedback collection, you streamline the process and gain timely insights. This approach helps you improve your products, services, or overall customer experience efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.